Hello, here is complete solution for Class 4, Subject Environmental Studies, Chapter number 13, Birds. Do you remember which of the following are the body parts of a bird? Put a tick under them. The first one is their wings, second is their beak, third picture is of elephants, and last picture is of cat. Time to answer. Give an example of each. First, wading bird, crane. Second, scratching bird, hens. Third, perching birds, crows. Fourth one, flesh-eating birds, eagles. Time to answer. Write the type of beak of the following birds. So hummingbird have probing beak, pigeon cracker beak, eagle shredder beak, kingfisher spear beak, woodpecker chisel beak. Time to answer. State whether the following statements are true or false. First one. Penguins use stick to build their nest. False. They don't. Second one. Swallows use mud to build their nest. True. Third one. All birds use twigs and grass to build their nest. No, not all. Fourth. Eagles build their nest on the bushes. No, on the top of a hill or on top of a very tall tree. Let us practice. A. Fill in the blanks. First one. A kingfisher has a spear beak. Second. Talons are present in flesh-eating birds. Third. A kite shell shaped beak helps in drilling into wood to find insects. Fourth, swallows use mud to make their nest. Fifth one, the beak of an eagle is sharp and curved. Match the following. First, pelicans, spear beak. Second, mallard, stainer beak. Third one, hummingbird, probing beak. Cranes, wading bird. Penguins make nest on the ground. Short answer type questions. First one, what type of beaks do sparrows and pigeons have? Answer, sparrows and pigeons have cracker beak. It is short, thick and cone shaped. Second question. How are strong claws useful to hens? Answer. Strong claws of hens help to scratch the ground to find buried seeds and insects. Third one. How shredder beak is useful to an eagle? Answer. Eagle is a flesh-eating bird. Its shredder beak is helpful in tearing यानी फाड़ना खींचना flesh and biting through the skull or neck of the prey. तो वो skull जो बहुत ही tough होता है, hard होता है, उसको भी क्या करता है, damage कर सकता है. Fourth one, not our skull ना, skull of birds. Fourth one, describe the nest of a tailor bird. Answer, a tailor bird sews leaves together using silk, grass, thread or wool to make their nest. इस उसका नाम ही क्या है? Tailor, because it sews. Question number 5. How does a woodpecker makes its nest? Answer, a woodpecker use their special beak to make a hole in the trunk of tree for its nest. Trunk यानी stem. जो बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है, बड़ी ट्री का, उसको ट्रंक कहते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. What do you mean by pruning? Answer. When the birds clean and smoothen their feathers is called pruning. D. Long answer type questions. First one. How are beaks useful to birds? Answer. Beaks are useful to birds in the following ways. First, to pick grains or to tear flesh, है ना, दाना चुगना में या फिर चीर के खाने में. Second, to carry materials to build house. Third, to feed their babies. Fourth one, to flight and make noise. Fifth one, for pruning. Pruning यानी अपनी बॉडी को क्लीन करते हैं, अपनी फेदर्स में कुछ फंस गया है तो उसको निकालना. Question number 2. Describe the claws of wedding birds and scratching birds. Answer. Wedding birds need to stand and wade through shallow water to catch fish. So they have long legs and their toes are separate out. Scratching birds. Scratching birds scratch the ground to find buried seeds and insects. So they have strong claws with 3 toes in front and a short toe at the back. Question number 3. How does a woodpecker obtains its food? Answer. Woodpecker's beak is long, which tapers towards the tip, forming a kite shape. It is very strong beak. It helps the bird to drill into wood and find insects in it. Question number 4. Some perching birds do not fall off even while sleeping on the branch. Give reason. The answer is, perching birds have 3 long toes in front and 1 at the back, making their grip extremely strong. They can hold the branch of a tree so firmly that they do not fall off even while sleeping.